I am tired of you. I am tired of you. I don't want to see you in this house again. Just pack your stuff and go. Okay? Pack and go. I don't want to see you. Everything where you don't do me, don't do okay. I don't want to see you in this house again.
Hello, bros.
Hello, boy, what's up?
Bros, so I do.
I don't call your number since everything happened.
Bros, na life, nah.
Anyways, I don't transfer 5 million to your account. Give your brother.
Full time.
Yeah, bros.
Alright, take care.
Head boy. Ah, my good brother. No, wait now. No, I say make you pack your thing, your clothes. Make I go help you wash them. Since your hand they pay you, I say make I go help you wash them. 2 million. Stay now. Stay for 2 million. Because I hear your friend 2 million. 2 million.